Hello my friend, my name is Abdel Moneim. I love breeding ornamental birds. This is my English channel. It's my second channel on YouTube. I will present my humble experience in raising pet birds and also develop my skills in English language through videos explaining the problems and solutions in raising pet birds. First, I welcome all English speaking followers and welcome you to subscribe to my English channel. I ask you for my morality support and guide and correct my English language mistake because it's my first experience. I would like to point out the simplicity of my language. I ask you to help me develop it by offering language solution advocates. He has worked hard to perfect all his education in the field of breeding ornamental birds. And through the translation of the videos that I have already placed in Arabic channel, I welcome questions and inquiries about bird breeding. Getting to your brother Abdel Moneim, as I welcome you to the blog www.birdsforhobby.com. All links will be left to you in the video description and dumping in the next video. Thanks to everyone. Bye.